The key in the attic. Emma loved visiting her grandmother's house. The old wooden staircase creaked, and the attic smelled of dust and history. One rainy afternoon, while exploring, she noticed a tiny brass key lying on a cracked windowsill. It was ornate, with strange symbols carved into its handle. "Grandma," Emma asked later, holding the key, "what does this open?" Her grandmother froze, the warmth in her face fading. "That's best left alone," she said quietly, but Emma's curiosity wouldn't let her rest. That evening, while her grandmother napped, she returned to the attic. After searching, she found a small chest tucked behind some old suitcases. The key fit perfectly inside. She discovered faded letters and photographs. The letters were love notes from a man named William, not her grandfather. The photographs showed her grandmother as a young woman, smiling with William, looking carefree and happy. Emma's heart raced as she read the last letter. It was from William, dated a week before her grandmother's wedding. "I'll wait for you, always," it said. But there was no reply. When her grandmother woke, Emma hesitated but decided to ask. Tears welled in her grandmother's eyes. "William was my first love. But my parents disapproved. They chose your grandfather for me." She smiled sadly. "But I've never forgotten him." Emma hugged her tightly, realizing the weight her grandmother had carried all these years. She decided to place the letters and photographs back in the chest, locking them with care. Some secrets deserved to stay in the attic, cherished but undisturbed. The rain stopped, and sunlight streamed through the window. Emma felt closer to her grandmother than ever, knowing that even in silence, love stories could endure.